This is a tutorial on how to upload pictures for your auction item. The first thing you want to do is click the Browse button and select some pictures from your system. And let's just say I have 4 items for my auction item, and I will select these. And as you can see, they add them to this list. Now from here, you can reorder the items, and these would be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. That would be the order they would show on your auction item detail page, and the very first one is the thumbnail that shows on the auction listing pages. So this is your most important picture. So let's just say I want the jellyfish to be my first picture for my auction item, and then I'd like to move this one up here. You can drag them around by clicking up here right below on this line and holding down and dragging the picture and then releasing it on the spot. You can also drag it from the bottom as well. Now, a couple things you can do with your pictures. You can rotate them by these little buttons. Rotate left, rotate right, so I can rotate it. And another feature before you upload, you can crop your images. So to crop your image, if you see up here, this is disabled because there's no selection. So the first thing you want to do is click, hold down your mouse, and drag out your selection. Now if you don't get it right, you can click on the center of it and you can move it around by holding down the mouse, dragging when you're done. And you can also resize by clicking the corners to however you want it. Now, if you make a mistake or don't want to crop the image, you can just click on the area outside the crop area, and that'll remove the cropping. As you can see, it goes back. However, you do have to, after dragging your rectangle, you do have to hit this to actually perform the crop. From there, you can do the other operations, rotate, whatnot, if you need to. Okay, so my images now are ready to upload. So all I need to do is click the upload button, and it'll make 3 images per each one: a thumbnail, a detail, and a large. As you can see, we're on the details _DT. If you look up at your status area, now we're doing the large ones, the LGs. Okay, so I've uploaded them. I've made 3 sizes. You can look at the large size by clicking on one of these, and that brings up the gallery. And you can move your mouse to the left or right, and it will show an arrow if you can go that way, and it'll switch your picture. Now I'm on my last picture. I have no arrow over here, but I can move my arrow back to the right side, or the left side, sorry. Or you can use your mouse wheel. So once it's up, you can spin your mouse wheel up and down, and it'll cycle through those. And to close it, you can click out here, or you can click the close button. Now, say that I'm not done. I forgot to add a picture. It's easy enough. I can go back here and pick a few more pictures, and I can upload those. So there you have it. And they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you have a corresponding detail and a corresponding large image for each of the sequence numbers here. So that's a quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. It's fairly easy to use. If you have a problem with it, sometimes you might need to hit the refresh button on your browser. If it seems to hang, it is Flash, and sometimes there may be an issue. We hope there isn't, but give it a try.